So in this video, I'm going to tell you some of the reasons why I like a truck more than a car. And before we get into that, let me give you a little bit a look on my truck right here. But I'm also going to give you a look on me riding this truck, because one of the things that I love the most is how comfortable the truck is when you ride it. Really enjoy that. So let's take a look at it. So nowadays, a lot of people are trying to figure out, should I get a car or should I get a truck? And the reality is that trucks are just so much better, in my opinion, to me, because it gives you so much more, right? Again, you know, it's not going to be for everyone out there. Some of you guys may not need this. Some of you guys may need just a regular car because you don't have no need. Obviously, trucks are more expensive, more gas, and specifically if you got a V8 and things like that. But I got to tell you, if you are looking to have comfort and things like that, and ability to pull a trailer or actually go ahead and carry a bunch of stuff, you know, because you're a dad or something like that, it is fantastic. So here's one thing that I like that not a lot of people talk about, but I think it's great. Trucks are great for family, and essentially the ones that have 4 doors, the crew cab, I'm telling you, they are really fantastic for a family. I'm gonna give you a look of mine right here. The 4 doors are very comfortable. I'm always super comfortable, which is another reason why I got it. But not only that, my children in the back are extremely comfortable as well. You can see the truck right here, and again, you can see how I got like a big door, obviously regular door, but look at the door back here, right? And this is the crew cab. If you go for the standard cab, I don't even know if they're making nowadays, but the older ones, the door was a little bit shorter and the bed was a little bit longer. But in my case, I got the crew cab, and like I said, my children sit back there so comfortable, it's ridiculous. So a person like me that has back issues, I gotta tell you, the way that I position myself in the car, or the way that I actually sit in the car, is very comfortable. Like, I'm not sitting with my legs straight. It kind of goes like this. And again, it's just so much comfort for me that I enjoy that very much, because obviously my back issues. And not only that, but trucks are a beast. Look at this. I'm going to tell you, if you look at any regular car and then you look at a truck like this, when it comes to family and things like that, and actually transporting your family and making sure your family is safe, let me tell you, you could take a hit with this thing. Look at this thing. This thing is big, right? So it's really going to take a lot for you to take a hit and damage your entire car. Like, you literally could take a hit big time. So to me, trucks are so much safe. Your family is definitely going to be more safe than being in one of those little cars that looks like if you hit him, is going to break in 300 different pieces. And again, being a dad, you probably have this issue, but look at the bed right here, right? So that's my bed. I do have a cover. You can see the cover right here. Look at all the mess that I have in here from my kids throwing stuff in there. I definitely got to clean my mess back here. But obviously, I got the cover that I could just close it, and whatever is in there is going to be really nice protected. But as a father and all that, there's always something that got to be moved. Just recently, we had to move a bunch of different wood to build a table. Me and my brother-in-law, we did that. And the table actually came out really good. But again, with a car, you can do that. So let me give you a final look right here and tell you that I love trucks because they're bad to the bone too as well. So it's not only that they are safe, comfortable, easy to drive, luxury in the inside, but look how mean this thing looks. It looks fantastic, really does, and it's so stylish. This is 2014 and I love it. I don't even care that it's old. It just looks so good. Let me give you a look from this side right here. So again, just a little bit all over the place as I do this vlog, but here, let me recap. I chose a truck over a regular car. This is a second Silverado that I got, and essentially it's because trucks just gives me a lot more. They're comfortable, they're easy to drive. Many of them have really good luxury in the inside, so they have leather like this one and all that. So really, cars don't really give me too much. They are powerful, And then you have the extra ability as a father to be able to move stuff, to be able to go to Home Depot, pick up stuff and all that. And they are super comfortable. So I tell you, this is my second Silverado. Most likely I'm going to buy another Silverado when this one is done. And yeah, I love trucks. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And as always, God is in control.